Welcome to Cooking for Baby and Me. Today's featured ingredients are pumpkins. We'll be making pumpkin pasta and pumpkin Peekytoe crab fisherman's pie in baby pumpkin. This sounds exciting.
Oh, great, thank you. I love these little baby pumpkins.
They're adorable.
Yeah, they're fun. So what you're gonna do with these is just kind of work all the way around. They're hollow like any other pumpkin.
Scoop it all out.
Get all that out of there. So you want to get all the seeds out.
And Chef, for an older child, not an infant, but older people, you could actually cook those seeds and eat those seeds?
Absolutely, yeah. You can clean them up and then toast them in the oven. You can also put them in a simple syrup and then actually saute them in a pan. They get a little crispy. Then you can throw some seasoning on the outside.
Nice.
That sounds great.
You get some nice iron out of pumpkin seeds. So not for a little child because of the choking risk, but
Yeah.
sure, for an older child, that would be a great way to use all parts of the pumpkin.
Yeah, that's great. So you
with
put a
these-
little salt in there.
Yeah,
and
a little
olive
salt
oil.
in there. And also, I like to put a little bit of oil all the way around on the outside of it.
Hmm.
And then all you do is just put it into on a pan in the oven at 350, and it takes about, I'd say like 15 minutes.
So tell me a little bit about the nutritional value of a pumpkin.
So you get lots of healthy vitamins from pumpkin. So you're definitely going to get your beta carotene and your vitamin A. That helps with eyesight. You're also going to get some potassium, and that's something all of our bodies need every day. But what's nice about pumpkins, it's not necessarily just healthy for the baby or the toddler. You're going to get maternal benefits as well. So for moms who are maybe trying to get pregnant or might be getting pregnant again, it also has folate. So folate or folic acid is really helpful for pregnant moms to help protect against certain birth defects known as neural tube defects. So this is a twofer.
Great.
For the crab meat.
A little
Take
butter.
a little bit, yeah. And you don't really want to cook this that much.
Okay.
What is Peekytoe crab?
Peekytoe crab
we
is
have
actually,
questions.
it's like a miniature stone crab.
Okay.
They're super sweet.
Sometimes crab can be expensive. What could you use instead of crab? Is there an alternative?
You could, pretty much anything. I mean, you could use chicken, you can use, whatever you'd like. This crab actually, I find it's like a little bit cheaper than the Maryland crab.
So you can get this crab just anywhere?
Yeah, you can.
What did you just add?
So I just added a little bit of sour cream.
Okay.
You can use sour cream or creme fraiche, some scallion.
Okay.
Okay. Also, we're going to do a roasted tomato. So the roasted tomato, basically what I do is I take tomato, cut it in half, garlic, olive oil, thyme, and then I roast it in the oven for 10 minutes at 300.
Okay.
Roast it out. And then simultaneously, we're going to cook our ortichetta, which is the
Now
fresh
you have
pasta.
fancy pasta, but
Yeah.
you can use just any kind of pasta.
You can use
Macaroni?
elbows, you can use macaroni, you can use all that. yeah.
Okay.
So we got our roasted pumpkin,
Okay.
and we're going to...
So can you use canned pumpkin that you
Yeah,
added
this
to-
is actually canned pumpkin here.
Okay.
Yeah.
But make sure it's not the pumpkin pie mix, right? You just want
Right,
pumpkin,
right.
right?
That looks beautiful.
That is beautiful. Yeah.
Okay.
Looks
And I do
great.
like to finish it with like a little nice breadcrumbs. So you
Kids
can
would
get-
find that so fun, just because it's in the pumpkin.
I
Right.
know. Yeah, that's
right.
great.
So it's that same pumpkin that we used in the first meal. Okay, great.
Right. And then we're going to use creme fraiche in there. And then we're going to use some chives.
So similar to what we did in.
Yeah. So you have the garlic. This garlic's actually pre-cooked, roasted.
If you puree the pumpkin, can children under the age of 1 have it, or about?
Yeah,
is there
you can.
reason
So
they
probably
couldn't?
around 6 months of age. Most people are very familiar with sweet potatoes, squash. Pumpkin's not
Very
very different.
similar.
Yeah, it's very similar to that, but it's not often thought of.
Some of the liquid is good too. In there.
That goes
A little
right
bit of
in.
starch.
Oh wow, great.
I'm sort of marveling that it
Already?
almost looks like macaroni and cheese to a child.
Yeah.
There
Yeah. Sometimes
you
they
go.
spread some breadcrumbs right on the
That's
pasta.
right.
Get a
my
little
grandmom
bit-
used to do that.
Yeah. Get a little bit of crunch in there.
There we
So
go.
Great. All right. Can't wait.
This looks and smells yummy.
That's so good.
That's
Pumpkin
absolutely
flavor.
delicious. I love the little crunch on top.
Thanks.
It's delicious. That is so good.
Oh my gosh.
Our first Peekytoe crab.
I know. We just had a
They're
we just
super
made a
sweet.
memory.